changing a watch strap is very easy. You'll need two things. First of all, you need the watch strap tool, okay? And it looks like this, and it has two sides, so you want to make sure you have the right one, okay? So there's this side, which looks like it's a pincer, and then one side, which looks like it's just a stick, basically, all right? And the other thing you'll need is obviously your strap, okay? Make sure it actually fits as well. Not all straps will be the same, so there'll be different widths. Just make sure it's the right one. It's very simple. All you want to look for is this gap. So I've got this like Casio watch, right? But this will work for all watches. There's a small gap in here, okay? And that contains something called a spring bar. And this basically pushes it, so then the spring bar retracts itself, retracts its springs, and then it will be able to come out, okay? So all you need to do is take the hooking part. If you've got something like leather, just go a bit slower so you don't scratch the leather. If it's metal, also try to not scratch it. Although if you do scratch it, it's fine because it's on the back. So it's not going to be incredibly ugly. Just also make sure to not scratch yourself. I would recommend doing this on a table as well, instead of just holding it in your hands and then you don't scratch yourself. And that's it out. Okay, and you'll have basically the spring bar inside it. You'll be able to pull it out, like that, okay? Now you just take your new strap, and then putting a new one in is actually a lot easier. So if you took it out successfully, you'll have a lot easier time putting it in. You just line it up again, make sure it's on the right way, because there's obviously two sides to it. And then just make sure to pinch down with the tool. Go slow, you don't need to go fast. Also do it on a surface as well. If you're putting it in, then it's fine. If you're taking it out, just do it on a surface. It will be a lot easier, and it takes like 1 minute to do it. Even if you are inexperienced, just go a bit slower though. So maybe take 2 minutes instead. Hopefully this is helpful. If you do want to create your own kind of watch and you want to get all the parts for it as well, I've created a free template that you can use to be able to make a watch similar to this. So this is actually the first ever watch that I made, but I realized that there was a lot of instructions that some people had kind of left out. So what I've done is that I've compiled some of the videos and all the parts and tools that you need to be able to make a watch. You can check the description. It's a free template that you can use, and hopefully you do find it helpful. Other than that, I will see you later.